Now production truly begins. Welcome to our factory. Today I'll show you exactly how iPhone smartphones are made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this. Scanning titanium, clear. Reels on conveyor, next. Each circuit board is manufactured with extreme precision to ensure performance and durability.
We're exceeding optimal parameters on the assembly. Look at the voltage.
I see it. Rerouting power to the thermal regulators.
Each electronic component is meticulously designed for peak performance and unparalleled efficiency.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality. The boards move seamlessly to the next stage. Precision at scale. Human checks add assurance. Automation ensures accuracy.
Every mobile phone is assembled with precision,
and tested at every stage.
All systems align for assembly. Once approved, the boards move forward. Temperature is precisely controlled at every step. The phone's structure is prepared. Every button and port is installed precisely. Energy is carefully installed. Brains meet the body. Every screen is aligned flawlessly. Sealing ensures durability. Every device passes strict human inspection. Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how iPhone smartphones are made, from start to finish.
The phones arrive in stores, ready for customers.
Shoppers explore features before making a choice.